Welcome back to AI Read Let's Start. Today we talk about functions in Kotlin. So in Kotlin, functions are the building blocks of clean and reusable code. Whether you're building an Android app or writing back-end logic, understanding how to declare and call functions is a must. In this video, we'll break it down step by step with real examples. Let's get started. What is a function? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Kotlin functions can return values or just perform an action. Declaring a function. Here's the basic syntax to declare a function. Fun is the keyword used to define a function. Greet user is the name of the function. The function body is enclosed in quintoxin. This function doesn't take any parameters and doesn't return anything. That's a wrap on some amount of Kotlin functions. In the next video, we'll deep dive into Kotlin functions more. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe,